Alright, so we've got another data East MPU here on the bench. This one actually was subjected to quite the alkaline damage here. So as you can see, all where the battery holder was into the ground plane. The worst part was actually in the reset section to where the alkaline had eaten away some of the ground plane here. So we had to run a few jumpers, or I'm sorry, do a few trace repairs here. And then also anything that was in the alkaline area there, we had to pull from the board. All of the ICs got a new socket there, and 2 new headers over here on the side, and then also 2 9-position headers down here at the bottom as well. New capacitors. We went ahead and put a new crystal on here as well. So I'll go ahead and get her powered up. Or actually, real quick, so whatever we first powered it on, so this is the original CPU. So the game would power on, it would boot, and it would stay booted for about 45 seconds, and then it would ultimately crash. So I actually swapped out the CPU, got a brand new CPU in place here. I had it on the bench last night for a couple of hours, and it was working perfectly. So as you can see, we've got displays, got our lamp matrix dancing, and no coils are locked on. Go ahead and throw her to test here. We do not have a soundboard connected, so no sounds coming out of the board. So we got all the displays. I'll go through diagonally on the switches, testing both the rows and the columns. And all 64 switches are reporting. None of them are active there, that's great. Get all the lamps working. And do all of our rows, as well as the columns. And single lamps here as well. So we'll go ahead and skip that. Saw those all working. So we've got all the flashers working here as well. And we'll move into solenoids, testing both A side and B side here. Sorry, I've got my light over my bench turned off, so it's a little bit darker. And then into the special solenoids here. And these are switch triggered as well. Alright, so there you go. Thank you so much for sending it. Appreciate it.